Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add friends on Royal Match. So if you want to add friends on Royal Match, then you can simply tap open your Royal Match application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now from the main homepage, tap on the Teams tab at the bottom right hand corner. In the Teams section, tap the search button at the top and then enter the team's name or your friend's name in the search bar. Once you perform your search result based on the given name or user ID will be displayed on the screen. Locate the person you would like to add as a friend and tap on their name to view their team info. Once you open up the person's profile, tap on the add button right next to their profile in green and you'll be able to send a friend request to the person. Once they accept your request, they'll be added as your friend right away. That is how you'll be able to find and add friends on Royal Match. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon in the next video. Goodbye till then.